Number 1. The number 1, it is straight line. Start at the top, go down to the bottom. Now you are wrote. Number 2. Start with the curve on top, then go slanting down and make a line across. Now you wrote 2. Number 3. Start with a small curve on the top. Make another small curve below. They look like two little bumps. Now you wrote 3. Number 4. Start with a short line across. Then make a line going down. Now draw a straight line down the side. Now you wrote 4. Number 5. Start with a short line across. Go down with a line and make a small curve at the top bottom. Now you wrote 5. This is 6. Start with a small curve on the top, then make a big round loop. It looks like a little whale. Now you wrote 6. Number 7. Start with a line across the top, then make a slanting line down. It looks like slide. Now you wrote 7. Make a small circle on the top, then make a bigger circle below. It looks like a snowman. Now you wrote 8. Number 9. Start with a small circle on the top, then make a line going down. It looks like a balloon on a string. Now you wrote 9. This is a 10. First write number 1, then with number 0. Put them together. Now you wrote 10.